You have this video saved on your PC and you would love to take only the audio from the video to create your own personal video, but you do not know how to do it. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract audio from any video you have so that you can use the audio for any other thing, maybe to create a video for yourself. For this, we would be using a third-party app which is popularly known as VLC Media Player. If you do not have it pre-installed, kindly go and download it for free. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a video about how to download it for free. With VLC Media Player installed, let's move on to extract the audio from the video we want. This is the video I want to extract the audio. I downloaded it from TikTok.
She's a sad girl with the prettiest pictures.
With VLC Media Player and your desired video ready, let's get to business. Locate and open VLC Media. Once the application is open, click on Media at the ribbons at the top. Under Media, locate and click on Convert and Save. On the pop-up menu, click on Add at the File Selection tab. This will open your File Explorer. Then look for the video you want to extract audio from and click Open. You would want to click on Convert and Save. Now under Settings, in the new pop-up menu where we have Profile, click on the drop-down button and choose Audio MP3. Then under Destination, click Browse and choose where you want the converted file to be saved. For this tutorial, I will save it on my desktop. So I will choose Desktop and click on Save. Now your file is ready to be converted. So you just have to click on Start to have your file converted. When it has completed, you can see that when I minimize the VLC Media Player, the converted file will show on my desktop and I can now play it as an MP3 file.
She's a sad girl with the prettiest pictures. Also that she's carrying with her. Sad world with the past so bitter, but somehow ended up a giver. She's pretty in pink and she's pretty in black. I can't even think when she looks like that. A sad girl with pretty pictures. I'd do anything to be with her.
Some people will receive a pop-up menu after their file has been converted, saying the output file already exists, like what you can see on your screens now. Some people are bound to face issues when converting their MP4 file to MP3 file, and I'm going to help you resolve that issue. One common issue with converting a file with VLC is that you receive a prompt telling you that the output file already exists, like what you are currently seeing on your screens. If you are one of those people, here's how to fix that issue. When you go through the process of converting an MP4 file to MP3 file, after the process has completed, you will receive a prompt telling you that the output file already exists. And this is basically because even though the process has completed, it is still repeating itself. The reason for this problem is that your VLC has been placed on loop. I'm going to show you how to turn it off to resolve the issue. Open your VLC Media Player. At the bottom left corner where you have the command panels, click on the Exchange button, which is the button designated for the loop function. Now when it is turned off, click on the Media tab at the top left corner and select Convert and Save. Click on Add to choose the file you want to convert, then choose Convert and Save. Now under Settings, where we have the Profile, click on the drop-down button and choose Audio MP3. Under Destination, click Browse and choose a destination path, and you can also change the name of the converted file if you want to. Then click Start to convert the MP4 file to MP3 file. Now you can see that when the process has completed, the prompt did not show saying the output file already exists, meaning we have successfully resolved that issue.
She's a sad girl with the prettiest pictures. Also that she's carrying.
If you have come this far in the video, kindly like and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we release a new tech tutorial video. See you next time. It's bye for now. Peace out.